Hi guys, I wanted to come to you today with a video on an update about what's been going on, which is not really a lot. I've got some things here that I need to set down off of my table because I will start playing with them if I don't. I'm gonna try to do 5 videos today. I did 5 last week and I screwed them up because this is the room that I work in every day for work, and I diamond paint in this room. And when you are in a room that much, you get used to all the noises in it and you don't realize that a camera can pick up a noise. And I had a ceiling fan on above it and it was picking up a clacking noise and it about drove me nuts. So I scrapped all 5 of those videos. So yeah, so we're gonna try this again. I've tried to shoot videos for several months, and I've done some diamond painting ones, and there goes a squirrel already. But they don't come out. I get ready to do YouTube, and my heart's not in it. And that has nothing to do with, I don't think, YouTube in and of itself. It's just what's going on in this world. And then what's going on just with me because of that. If you have been around here for a long time, you know that I have an extremely bad case of germ OCD. So you can imagine how that figures into this lovely little predicament we're all in. So in the beginning, it was pretty hard before we were starting to figure out what we could and what we couldn't do, whether we could get out, we were stuck in the house. So on March 16th, I don't know, I may have told you all some of this. I've recorded this so many times, I don't even know what's going on. But I'm just going to tell you this for those who haven't been here. On March 16th, we started working from home. We are currently working from home. We have been working from home 5 months. And at this moment, we will at least be working from home for 2 more months. So that'll be 7 months I've been at home. In a 7-month time frame, I have seen one person that I actually know. And that was my boss. And that was only because she went to Trader Joe's with me about a month and a half ago because she wanted to see me. And I was like, why? And she's like, because I want to see you. And I'm like, why? I don't understand why people want to see me sometimes. So I'm a little daft in the head, but whatever. So by that, you can tell that I don't do a lot of getting out. So in the beginning, when we didn't know anything about it, we were all in lockdown. None of us had a clue as to what was going on. I stayed at home. I had a grocery pickup from Walmart. That's what I did. At the time, we did not know. We thought we had to wash our groceries. Well, you can only imagine what an OCD person can do with that crap. I had to bring in every item out of my car one at a time and clean it off with Clorox. No, none of it was fruit or vegetables or anything that could contaminate that. Because that's a poison that it's a whole nother avenue. We're just, you just buy things that are in boxes, you wash the box off, you put it in the cabinet or in the refrigerator, and you move on. So then we got to the point where they were like, okay, you could get fast food, you don't have to, and then it slowly got to where you didn't have to, heat it up. You could go out and you could do things. And then it got to the point of where mask helps. And so I have been able to get haircuts. As you can tell, it's supposed to get cut again next week. I'm not real sure if it needs one yet, but all right, whatever. The first time I got it cut, I told her to cut it as short as she could get it cut because I did not care. I did not want to get back out. Now I can get out if obviously I have a mask on. People around me have masks on. I get out when the doors open. I go through and I have a list of what I want. I get it. I get out of the stores and I get back home as quickly as possible. My thing is, as long as I'm moving, I'm okay. My thing with work, where you are allowed to go back in and work in the building if you want, but they are giving you the option, and most people are taking the option of living or working from home due to kids and underlying conditions and whatnot. So my thing with work is we have to have a mask on as long as we're up. When we're in our cubicles, we can take them off. Particles can still get in the air. Air conditioner units are on, and that's one of the big things they're talking about is the air conditioner units move it around, and I am stuck in one place for 9 hours. That scares the crap out of me. Being in a building with a bunch of people who do not have masks on in their cubicles for 9 hours sets me off in panic. So I don't have to deal with that option for at least 2 months. It could be longer. Our company is very good at this right now. So I am very thankful that they do this. They give us this option because I would be in trouble. In the beginning also, we had layoffs, and we knew for about a month and a half before it actually happened. Luckily, I made it through, but for a month and a half, there was nothing but panic. So in me, worry, panic, anxiety, whatever, because it is just me. So that was not a good thing. So finally, we about got it calmed down. I think everything pretty much has calmed down. I did get back into diamond painting. If you've seen some of the videos, I think that's all the videos I put out lately is diamond painting videos. I am able to do that. I have an easel. I have a very nice chair over here now that I got, and I'm able to work on that, and I have not tore my neck up yet. And we are hoping to God we keep it that way. Another one of the reasons why I haven't done a lot of videos is because the things that I was doing, I'm not doing anymore. Makeup. Today is one of the first days I've put makeup on. In 5 months, I've put makeup on less than 20 times. I take a shower every day. I wash my hair maybe every other day, maybe every third day, depending on what product I do put in my hair. But I'm not working on I'm not working through my products like I am. But I do have some here that I have gotten that I want to show you in another video. I've gotten to, so I've been doing a lot of diamond painting videos. You'll see that next week. You'll see a diamond painting, what I have done, which is not a lot this month because I've been working on one that is the size of a freaking window or a curtain, or it's the biggest dadgum thing you've ever seen. So yeah, I'm not even halfway through it, and I've been working on it probably about 20-30 days. Since I've got the thing, let's put it that way. I don't even want to remember when I got it. So, but I will show you the progress on that as well as the little ones that I have stuck in between there. So the beauty stuff I haven't been doing. I was doing my candles, and I looked at my filter in there, and it was black. So I shut that down. Then I had my normal appointment with my, maintenance. And he was like, that is not good. And then I was talking to him about wax, and he kind of got me wound up about that because he was telling me about a lady that had a wax warmer underneath her intake valve, and it clogged up her filter. The guy could not figure out what it was. Finally, he pulled the filter out. It started working. He took it outside. He hit up against the filter, and all these particles, wax particles, started falling out. So my wax thing is in the other end of the house. I have one here by my bedroom that's probably about 20 or 30 feet away from the intake valves, but I've shut that one down just because in February when I got sick, I had a real bad cough. I don't know whether or not I've already had this mess because it was the most god-awful cough. I wasn't extremely down, but let's say if the virus is any worse than that, God help me. So I stopped doing that because it kept making me cough every time I put stuff in it. So I've calmed down on my wax a little bit, melting it. I need to melt a lot of it. I'm not buying any. I'm not even going to buy, I don't think I'm going to buy any from Walmart. I haven't even been to the big Walmart to even purchase it. There looks like, I've seen on Instagram that looks like some really good ones, but I don't know that I will go in there. I drove by Walmart today and it just looked like a crap show trying to get in and out of that store. So I was like, okay, that's going to start another panic attack. So we're just going to leave that alone. Another thing that I have gotten into, and I've done this before and I love this stuff, but I have gotten I have a bunch down here. That's what I cleaned off the deal here at first. Was planners, journals, journal covers, different kinds of things that I have been I want to get into. There's a box back there that has a, accessories pouch in it, and it has a bunch of different papers and stuff. I have some kind of paste that is coming from Amazon, and I've been watching videos on that, so that's something that I'm getting into along with that. Also, paint by numbers. I'm doing that. At this point, I am going through my house, and I'm also decluttering. It's not necessarily decluttering because I haven't decluttered a whole lot, because I have thrown things away. The Goodwill, I haven't even gotten an entire back of my car full. So, because I've decluttered so many times. I'm just putting stuff where it belongs, and I'm getting rid of some stuff, but I just need to organize more than anything is what I'm doing. And I'm going to do a video on what I'm doing of that. So I need to get that dining room table cleaned off so I can do the paint by numbers. So there's a couple of things crafts that I want to do. The paint by number, the planners, the diamond painting. But where the beauty, I'm not doing a whole lot of it. Like I said, today's one of the very few days I put it on. I use moisturizer. I use hand cream. I use... since I saw Canada Kim's perfume video, I've started using my perfume. I just left it sitting there because I didn't go near the makeup dresser. So now I am using that. I was like, oh, I want to try some of these. And I was like, don't you even think about it. Because I have 2 bottles in my backup drawer of 2 kinds I've never tried. I mean, I've tried them like samples, but I've never worn them. They're still in there in the box. I have about 8 bottles on top of the dresser. So before I go off on a tangent of perfumes, we need to stop and do this first. So that's another thing. So with the budgeting, I'm not even doing the envelopes right now because I'm only using a credit card. I have not carried a purse since March 16th. I carry a driver's license, I carry a credit card, I carry my keys. Those were the 3 things that I've always carried, and after we got out of when we started knowing a little more, and the only time it used to go was when I went to Walmart to pick stuff up. Now I keep my phone with me. I can clean the thing up, move on, I don't care. So I don't even carry a purse anymore. So I'm not doing beauty. The candles, I'm not burning the candles because I don't want to tear my air conditioner up. It's making an odd noise right now. I need to call them out and have them come look at that mess. But I'm not doing those things. I'm not doing the budgeting like I was. It's on a credit card. I have in the last couple of months spent a little more than I should have, but at the same time I'm saving money on beauty because I haven't even spent $100 at Sephora this year. There is no way I'm gonna make VIB Rouge this year. I don't even care. I planned on not doing it. I didn't know I would be down to less than $100 at the end of August, so we're doing really good there. I have bought a lot of backup supplies in case fall goes awry again and we have to shut down and lock down again. I've got a lot of supplies in the house that I have for that. So when this all lifts and I have these backup supplies, I'm going to be able to ride for quite a while. So that's going to help me out in the long run. So a lot of things I'm not doing that I was. I got uninspired because of that. Now I'm finding things that I want to do. Yeah, I've talked about all of it now on this, but just the virus, and right now I think I'm getting ready to hit a depression because I'm having a lot of problems with my OCD, that it's not the germ side of it, it's just the emotion side of it. I just went through the anniversary of my parents when they got sick, and my conscience is okay with it. My subconscious feels it's necessary to grieve. I don't understand that. My therapist says it's normal. My doctor, he has notes on it that I do this every year at the same time. He's like, it's normal. So I'm like, everybody said, doctors say it's normal. I'm like, I'm so over it. So I've had the grieving, the bawling, the whole 9 yards. I'm done. I'm through. But I have a feeling like I'm getting ready to go through the depression, where that is the sleeping. Right now, I'm not sleeping. About the time I went through my parents' anniversary, I was actually having a lot of nightmares. I actually had some nightmares last night. I'm not sure what's going on. My doctor's well aware of the non-sleeping. Yeah. I'm getting to that point if I don't care, which kind of scares me with the decluttering or the organizing or whatever this is that I'm doing, because I don't want to stop. I want to get it done. I want this entire house done. Before we come out from under all of this, I want it squared away. I just want it taken care of. So I'm going to try to get back into YouTube and get to going again and show you some of the things that I'm doing. Next week I will have some beauty empties. I will have some wax empties, and of course I will have my diamond painting at the end of August. So that'll be some more videos, but I'm going to shoot 4 more other videos just to let you know what I have gotten into and some of the things that I have bought. Some things aren't here yet, but that's fine. We can do that for a whole nother day. So that'll just be more videos. But I just wanted to let you guys know and let you know that hopefully I'm back and things are going to work out fine. If not, I'll be back again. It's just, I just have to go with this whole thing that's going on, and with my emotions and with this OCD and stuff of that nature. I just have to go with it, and I'm going to be fine. So I wanted to let you know. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe, please do. I would love to have you here, and I will see you guys in my next video. Have a good day. Bye.